gbaghara anyị.
And when you say somebody is killed, you think that tomorrow the person comes out again. It's so sad. But the entire situation in the country, whether we want it or not, has driven us to a point that we must protect ourselves. Wherever it is in nation Nigeria, only God will know. I don't know how many army people we have in the country. I don't know how many police we have. But Mr. President has been gracious that when this thing happened in Effium, he said 220 army people and then 2 mobile police units were immediately sent abroad. They will move from crisis zones to our own. No any other state that is good. Why in Effium? Every hamlet needed police, needed army, which is not possible. I listened to what you read out. Our security outfit is already in place. I directed a number of them to be posted here. All that is remaining of the Umugadu is to launch it at the zonal level and to have our security gadgets over there. Those that want us to adopt another kind of security outfit for our people should go and have a rethink. This one has the force of the law. We have the law backing up with the Bible. We will tinker with the law to accommodate the joint operation that will allow to move from here to Ngbo to operate within our borders and conduct. That is what is not in the law. A cooperation between the Southeast states. But we have law for that. So I want to console the families of the victims. There's nothing as your father that I can do. I wish it did not happen. We can't recover yesterday, but we can do something for tomorrow. That's why I'm here. I feel so sad. I feel your pains. My conscience makes me clear that everything I can do in Ebonyi State to protect lives and property, I'm doing that. But there are things that are beyond the control of man. And I'm happy that Ngbo people are praying people. Together and human efforts, we put this thing behind us. So on behalf of government, I want to ask you to forgive us. It is our duty to protect our lives. But the security challenges is such that unless we multiply ourselves to your numbers, that is when we can adequately protect you. But everybody will be protected when we all make up our minds to protect ourselves. So my heart goes to you people, and I want you to please take heart and commit whatever that has happened to the will of God. The Bible says in all things, with supplications and thanksgiving, let our demands be made known to God.